Hello children, I hope that you're safe and fine. Welcome back to our maths class. We will be using the MIE book part 2. So be ready with your copybook and your pencil case. Page 10 of the book. Less than 1 liter. So if it is less than 1 liter, how do we call it? Yes, centiliter. Now, 1 liter is equal to how many centiliters? Who can tell me? Yesterday we learned about this. 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters. Very good. Now let us follow on the board a few examples of centiliters. Page 10 of the book. We are going to do the activity less than 1 liter. With the help of my teacher, I complete the following. Write down the capacity of each container starting with the smallest. What does this mean? It means that we have to start with the container that has the smallest capacity. That is the smallest digit. Let us start. Who can tell me? 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliters, or it can be written as 1 capital letter L, that is 1 liter, is equal to 100 C and capital letter L. C and capital letter L is centiliters. Now, how to know whether it is less than 1 liter? It should be less than 100 centiliters. That is, the figure should be less than 100 centiliters. For example, we have 99 centiliters. So 99 is less than 100 centiliters. 99 centiliters is less than 1 liter. Next we have 20 centiliters. 20 is less than 100. So 20 is less than 1 liter. 62 as well is less than 100. So 62 centiliters is less than 1 liter. Page 10 of the book. We are going to do the activity less than 1 liter. With the help of my teacher, I complete the following. Write down the capacity of each container starting with the smallest. What does this mean? It means that we have to start with the container that has the smallest capacity. That is the smallest digit. Let us start. Let us work this together. Which container has the smallest capacity? Which one has the smallest digit? It is 5 centiliters. Very good. As we can see, the size as well is smaller as compared to the others. In fact, it is the smallest. You should cross 5 liters, the container, 5 centiliters, excuse me. Then you write it down. Secondly, we should write 10 centiliters. Very good. Cross out the container, then you write 10 centiliters. Now we have 50 centiliters, 20 centiliters, and 25 centiliters remaining. Which one is the smallest? 20 centiliters. So you write 20 centiliters. Now we are left with 50 centiliters and 25 centiliters. Which one is the smallest? The container, which one is smaller between the two? Yes, the 25 centiliter container. So 25 centiliters is smaller than 50 centiliters. Next, we should write 25 centiliters. And lastly, we are left with 50 centiliters. So you write down 50 centiliters. This is how your work should be. Firstly, we have 5 centiliters. Then we have 10 centiliters, 20 centiliters, 25 centiliters, and lastly 50 centiliters. This part will be your homework. List down items having a capacity less than 1 liter in the supermarket. So you're going to ask your parents to help you to find items that have a capacity of less than 1 liter. For example, we can have 50 centiliters bottles of soft drinks. So you're going to ask your parents to help you out for this exercise. Now we are going to work this activity together. Let's complete with liter or centiliter. Part A. A can of juice contains 60 blank of liquid. A can of juice, c'est petit ça. Donc, c'est 60 liters ou 60 centiliters. 60 liters, c'est vraiment beaucoup. Whereas 60 centiliters, c'est comme si dans les canettes qu'on vend. Yes, it is 60 centiliters. Part B. A gallon of water contains 5 blank of water. 5 liter ou centiliters? 5 centiliters, c'est vraiment peu. So, it contains 5 liters. Part C. An aquarium can contain about 16 blank of water. Aquarium, it is huge. So, it can contain about 16 liters or 16 centiliters? Yes, 16 liters. And lastly, soft drinks are sold in bottles of 1 centiliter. 1 centiliter, c'est vraiment peu ça. Quand on parle au supermarché, we can see 1 liter bottles. So, they are sold in bottles of 1 liter. You have to write it down. Page 11 of the book. Adding and subtracting using centiliters. So we are going to do addition and subtraction using centiliters. Let us see example 1. 23 centiliters plus 64 centiliters is equal to blank centiliters. So we have to follow the same steps for addition and subtraction. You have to write tenths and units on the numbers. So 23 is 3 units and 2 tenths, and 64 is 4 units and 6 tenths. Do not forget to write centiliters, that is CL capital letter. Then you add starting with the units column. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and in the tenths column we have 2 plus 6 gives us 8. So 23 centiliters plus 64 centiliters is equal to 87 centiliters. Example number 2, we have 97 centiliters minus 42 centiliters is equal to blank centiliters. So the same way, 97 centiliters is equal to 7 units and 9 tenths. 42 centiliters is equal to 2 units and 4 tenths. Starting to subtract with the units column, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, and in the tenths column, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 again. So the answer is 55 centiliters. Now we are going to try out some exercises. Question number 11. Work out. So follow on the board, we are going to work out together. You should draw the columns in your copybook. And do not forget to write small t small u on the numbers to be able to classify them correctly. So 36 is 6 units and 3 tenths. 42 is 2 units and 4 tenths. We have the plus sign. It means that we have to add. Starting with the units column, work it out by yourself, and then you're going to see whether your answer matches mine. 6 plus 2, you draw the sticks, and for the tenths column, 3 plus 4, you draw the sticks. Work it out. 36 plus 42 centiliters is equal to 78 centiliters. Did you get the right answer? I'm sure all of you got it good. Let us move on to working part B. For part B, we have 47 centiliters plus 38 centiliters. Let us work it together on the board. 47 centiliters plus 38 centiliters is equal to blank centiliters. So the same step, you draw the columns, write tenths and units. 47 is 7 units and 4 tenths, and 38 is 8 units and 3 tenths. So we have to start to work out with the units column. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Can we write 15 directly over here? No, we cannot. So we have to write 15, and then 15 is 5 units and 1 tenth. We have to write the 5 in the units column and send the 1 to the tenths column. And now we have to work out the tenths column. In the tenths column, we have 1 plus 4 plus 3. Let us work this out. So 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 8. Thus, the answer is 85 centiliters. 47 centiliters plus 38 centiliters is equal to 85 centiliters. Part C and Part D involves subtraction. So, this as well will be your homework. You have to work it out in your copybook. Now we are going to work out question number 12 together. Let us read. Follow with me. Asha drinks 20 centiliters of pear juice and her brother Ram drinks 30 centiliters of apple juice. How much juice do they drink in all? What is the first thing to do? Yes. Underline the keywords. So, in all, 30 centiliters and 20 centiliters. When you see in all, it means that we should add. Very good. So let us work this out together. It means that we have to add 20 centiliters to 30 centiliters. So we should start to work with the units column. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And then tens column we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 20 centiliters plus 30 centiliters is equal to 50 centiliters. Note this down in your copybook. We have come to the end of our maths lesson, and I thank you for your kind attention. Do the homework given and stay home, stay safe. See you tomorrow.